You don't need another budgeting app. You need a 10-minute AI reset that quietly stops bad money decisions before they happen. You already know what to do with money. Spend less, save more, cancel subscriptions. Stop impulse buys. The problem isn't knowledge, it's friction. You get tired. You order food. You click Buy Now. You tell yourself you'll review expenses later. Later never comes. And traditional budgeting makes it worse. Manual tracking feels like homework. Rules feel restrictive. Spreadsheets feel judgmental. So you avoid them. What if instead of trying harder, you delegated smarter? In the next few minutes, you'll see a simple 10-minute weekly AI money reset. Reviews your spending automatically, flags emotional and timing triggers, intervenes before, builds a system that improves every week overspending. No daily tracking, no strict budgets, no financial guilt, just delegation. High earners don't rely on discipline, they rely on systems. Businesses run weekly reviews. Investors run portfolio check-ins. Executives use dashboards. But most people never run a money reset. AI changes that. When you combine memory-enabled AI with banking data exports and simple automation, you create something powerful, a financial co-pilot that watches patterns you can't see. This is lateral productivity applied to money, using tools to operate above your skill level. Here's why most money systems fail. Problem 1. Reactive behavior. You review spending after damage is done. Problem 2. Emotional blind spots. You don't overspend randomly. You overspend when stressed, tired, bored, or rewarded. Problem 3. Decision fatigue. By Friday, your brain is done, so your wallet takes over. You don't need stricter rules. You need earlier intervention. That's what this reset does. The 10-minute AI money reset has 3 layers. Layer 1, AI pattern scan. Export last 7 days of transactions from your bank. Upload into a memory-enabled AI workspace. Ask it to categorize, summarize, and flag anomalies. Prompt example. Analyze this week's transactions. Identify emotional spending patterns, timing clusters, and subscriptions I forgot about. Highlight anything that deviates from my normal baseline. Over time, the AI remembers your baseline. It sees trends you miss. Layer 2, friction map. Ask AI, where could friction be added to prevent unnecessary spending? It might suggest removing saved cards, adding 24-hour delay rules, moving apps off home screen, switching to prepaid spending buckets. You're not banning spending. You're increasing pause time. Layer 3, pre-decision intervention. This is the shift. Instead of reviewing past expenses, ask AI to predict next week's risks. Based on patterns, when am I most likely to overspend next week? Suggest preventive actions. Maybe it notices Sunday evening food delivery spikes, midweek Amazon browsing, payday reward spending. Now you're ahead of the behavior. That's the reset. The 10-minute step-by-step action. Minute 1 to 2. Export. Download weekly transaction CSV from your bank. Minute 3 to 5. Upload plus analyze. Upload to AI. Run your analysis prompt. Read summary, not every line. Minute 6 to 7. Identify one lever. Choose one improvement for the week. Cancel one subscription. Add one friction rule. Move one recurring charge. Small change, not overhaul. Minute 8 to 9. Predict next risk. Ask AI where you're vulnerable this week. Set a simple preventive action. Minute 10. Lock it in. Write a one-sentence rule for the week. This week, no food delivery after 8 p.m. This week, Amazon purchases require 24-hour delay. That's it. 10 minutes. No spreadsheet marathons, no shame spirals, just weekly calibration. Here's the part most people miss. If you do this once, it helps. If you do it weekly for 90 days, it rewires your financial identity. Because AI isn't just reviewing numbers, it's tracking behavior. After a few weeks, patterns get sharper. you'll start seeing emotional spending triggers, subscription creep, income leaks, lifestyle inflation. And here's what's surprising. Most people don't need to earn more. They need to leak less. This reset finds leaks. Now, let's upgrade it. Instead of only analyzing transactions, connect 3 streams. 1. Calendar. 2. Workload. 3. Spending. Upload weekly calendar summary. And ask, correlate busy days with spending spikes. You may discover long meeting days equals takeout. Creative burnout days equals impulse shopping. Social weekends equals subscription reactivations. This is where AI becomes a financial co-pilot, not a tracker. It connects energy, time, and money. That's powerful. You're no longer asking, where did my money go? You're asking, what state was I in when I spent it? That's behavioral finance without hiring an advisor. And here's the calm truth. Once you see the pattern, it loses power. Delegation replaces willpower. Imagine 6 months from now. You don't track expenses daily. You don't stress about random purchases. You don't feel behind. Because every week your system resets you. Your AI reminds you of patterns. Flags creeping subscriptions. Suggests small adjustments. Prevents emotional spending before it hits. Money feels lighter. More predictable. Less dramatic. That's the goal of this channel. Not extreme frugality, not unrealistic income hacks. Just practical AI systems that quietly improve your financial life. If you want more honest ways to use AI as a money co-pilot, audits, experiments, and systems like this, subscribe.